This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on the server because the server is the authoritative source of every player's character. Create a script in Server Script Service, get players with Game Get Service, players, and Connect Player, character added. Once the character spawns, cache character, primary part, usually humanoid root part, and immediately read its position. Do this now, do not rely on the client. This guarantees accurate world coordinates and avoids spoofing or desync problems that happen when clients report positions. Next, poll the humanoid root part on a regular cadence so you have a continuous location. Use run service, heartbeat or a loop with weight 0. 1 to sample position arrays, heartbeat gives frame-accurate timing. Read character, primary part, position and save the vector 3 into a server-side table keyed by player. User ID. Once done, you can query that table from server functions or send snapshots to clients via remote events. Make sure you nil entries on character removing and player removing to avoid stale. Finish by securely exposing the track data. Use remote events to send sanitized position info only to authorized viewers and keep sensitive data server-side. Before any read, check that character and character. Primary part exists to avoid errors. If things go wrong, enable verbose logging, print player. User ID and position snapshots when unexpected nils or teleports occur. This helps find timing issues. Make sure you disconnect loops and clear tables on player removing so memory and references are cleaned up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.